Samsung has once again captured attention, this time with a teaser for a brand new color option for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Just when it seemed like all the color choices had been revealed, Samsung India has hinted at an eighth variant described as the darkest shade yet. The big question is whether it will be an even deeper black or a much darker gray. At launch, the Galaxy S25 Ultra was available in 7 colors, including 2 black shades, titanium jet black and titanium black. The first of these is exclusively sold through Samsung's online store. Now, a new teaser from Samsung India suggests that another dark variant is on the way. The teaser image includes a dark gray S Pen, leading to speculation that the upcoming color might be a richer, bolder version of titanium gray. However, until an official announcement is made, it remains a mystery. So why is this teaser generating so much discussion? Samsung India's post on social media stated, "The power will be in your hands soon. Get ready to embrace a whole new shade of style. Stay tuned. Hashtag Galaxy S25 Ultra hashtag Samsung." Additionally, another cryptic message accompanied the teaser, dark, bold, ultra, coming soon. Along with the text, images of luxurious black items like a diamond ring and a premium watch were shared, hinting that this new shade may have a high-end, sophisticated appeal. Currently, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is offered in titanium black, titanium silver, titanium gray, titanium silver blue, titanium jet black, titanium jade green, titanium pink gold, and titanium white silver. With 2 black variations already in the lineup, the big question is whether Samsung is introducing a third black option or an even deeper version of titanium gray. Another intriguing aspect is the potential name for this new shade. Will Samsung maintain the titanium branding or introduce something entirely new? Additionally, it's unclear if this color will be a global release or exclusive to certain regions such as India. If it is launching worldwide, how soon will it be available for purchase? These are questions that Samsung has yet to answer, keeping fans eagerly awaiting more details. For those unfamiliar with the Galaxy S25 Ultra, here's a quick rundown of what makes this flagship device stand out. It was officially unveiled on January 22nd and became available for purchase on February 7th. One of the most noticeable design changes in this year's model was the transition from sharp corners to softer, rounded edges, making the phone more comfortable to hold. While the design received praise, the battery technology remained the same as last year's version. Speaking of features, the Galaxy S25 Ultra boasts a massive 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED display with a resolution of 1440x3120 QHD and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. Powering the device is the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy processor, paired with 12 GB of RAM and storage options of 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB. On the camera front, the Galaxy S25 Ultra continues to push boundaries with a 200-megapixel main sensor, a 50-megapixel telephoto lens, a 50-megapixel periscope lens, a 10-megapixel telephoto camera, and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens. The front camera is a 12-megapixel shooter, ideal for selfies and video calls. The device runs on a 5,000 mAh battery, supporting 45-watt fast charging and 15-watt wireless charging. While performance and specifications are crucial, aesthetics also play a big role in a phone's appeal. Many buyers wait for the right color before making their purchase, and this upcoming dark shade could be the perfect choice for those who prefer a sleek, sophisticated look. What do you think this new color will be called? Will it be an even deeper black or a richer shade of gray? More importantly, would this new color option make you more likely to upgrade to the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this update, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications to stay up to date with the latest tech news.